Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with having sex with two minors at the same time. Let's see here. I'm a trucker. One day at a gas station, I met two young girls. They asked me to take them to a nearby village and I accepted. On the road, all three of us had sex. When arriving in the town, they asked me for an amount of money or they would report me to the police. I didn't give them anything and I was arrested, accused of kidnapping and raping them. They are 17. Yeah, this is a big dilemma, all right. Number one, just the fact that you had sex with these minors. Here in the state of California, that's still going to be a felony if you're more than 3 years older than them. Under Penal Code Section 261.5, it's statutory rape, which carries up to 3 years state prison per victim, and it doesn't say anything here that you were not aware that they were not minors. It says right here you met two minors. Doesn't say anything. Doesn't say that you had no idea they were minors. So I'm assuming that you knew that they were minors. So the other issue, obviously, is they could be accused of, let's just say, extortion. That would be a violation of California Penal Code Section 520, which carries up to 4 years state prison. You can't say, hey, give me money, or we're going to tell the authorities that you raped us or that you had sex with us or whatever. Now, the more serious charge, obviously, what you're being accused of. You're being accused of kidnapping and raping somebody. When you kidnap somebody for the purposes of raping them, under Penal Code Section 667.61, that carries actually up to life in prison. It's 25 to life in state prison here in the state of California. Kidnapping on its own carries up to 7 years state prison. 8 years state prison under Penal Code Section 207. And rape on its own carries up to 8 years in state prison under Penal Code Section 261, but that would be per victim. However, in this case, because it's considered kidnapping and with the intent to rape, then we were talking about life in prison. So this is a really serious offense. Please do not speak to the police. Remember your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, a public defender will be assigned to your case. But please never speak to the police here, because there's a lot of room for you to essentially admit having committed crimes that you had no idea were crimes. So you might as well just allow your attorney to handle the matter and collect all of the evidence, any text messages, any history that these girls may have, that maybe they've done this to people in the past. All that stuff needs to be collected, and eventually if there's just not enough solid evidence to indicate that you didn't do this on purpose, then this case is going to have to be taken to a jury trial where they're going to bring in 12 people from the community, and those 12 people are going to have to decide whether or not you're innocent or guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. If they find you innocent, they dismiss the charges. But please remember your exercise Miranda rights. Please don't say anything incriminatory, because that could be the difference between being found innocent and being found guilty. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who used a false name with the police. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.